lobby.
Alright, so welcome to the Resident Inn, Miami Airport. So right here we have a 2-bedroom, 2-bathroom. Right now you're looking at the kitchen area. You got an extra stove top tucked in here in the corner actually. We're gonna come over here. Got a little cooking top. There's no light, but right here though. 2-hour cooking top. You got all your utensils and chinas. A toaster. Measuring spoons.
I'm like Danny.
Alright, yeah, I'll get you your candy. Hold on. Knives. Your spoons. Alright. Come on this way to the first bedroom.
Oh.
This is, let's see what you got.
Stove top.
See, Daddy.
Alright, follow me to the, this is actually the living area. What's up, buddy?
There's too much TV.
There's too many TVs, I know.
There's one in there and one in there.
Oh, thank you. All
Desk area here. Couch. All right, so here we have one of the bedrooms. King bed, room number 1. TV here in the corner. Okay. Now, as far as charging goes, looks like you have 1 socket available here. 1 socket, 4 pillows. Again, TV. 2 plug sockets here. Clock. Telephone. Your closet. Okay, so here is your bathroom. Sink, nothing fancy. Bath and shower. Okay, so here's your toilet and shower. Okay. And then directly across, this here is your accessible room. So another king bed. TV in the corner. So again, you have like 1 power outlet here. Your 2 lampshades here. This is what the room looks like from this angle. Okay, I believe this is possibly a queen size bed actually. And in this room as well, you have an alarm clock. You have your phone, lamp, closet space, safe. Ah, it's pretty dark. Get some lights on in here. So again, that's your safe down at the bottom. A few hangers, your iron board. Another look at the room. Again, so this is the accessible bathroom. Here's your sink, wash area, toilet. And there's also a telephone in the bathroom, I guess for assistance. Your shower. Okay, this is what this room looks like. Bathroom, pretty spacious. Pretty spacious. And again, your living space.
Hi, Mommy.
Hi, honey. Thank you guys for watching, and I hope this tour was helpful.
Thank you